Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. So today guys, we unboxing our gift. This is my gift guys. Tararan! Wow! See guys? We have a nice. So we'll go and unbox. Wow! Guys. Wow. See guys. Wow. This is my new dress guys. I bought yesterday to wear my birthday. It's nice guys. It's a long gown. And like we call that fairy dress. It's very nice guys. See guys. Very nice. The picture, the wow. And this is from She's Official guys. This is from She's Official. Charan! No dress. This is a dress. See? Very nice. Very nice dress guys. You take the see? Wow! I have another dress. This size is large guys. Huh? We use see? It's nice, right, guys? Yeah, I still have another one. I love the picture, guys, of this dress, guys. You know, it's a soft one. It's a very nice, guys. They have a double that cannot see inside. They have a double line. This side they have a double line. So this is the front, guys. This is the front. This is the front. And this is a long gown, guys. Long dress, not gown, long dress. Wow, I really love it, guys. When I touch this one, guys, wow, I feel like I really love this. And wear this one, guys, for my birthday. Husband bought for me yesterday for my birthday wear. Very, very happy that I have a new dress. Yeah. This is a fairy dress. They call it fairy dress, guys. The style is just like a fairy style, guys. And they have the, like this, guys. They have a tube, like that. And they have a, in front there, wow. And they have this inside here. Wow. I really love it. I really love it, guys. This is for my birthday gift dress. Oh yeah. I love it. I bought this one, this guys. This is a new this is a boutique lah. A boutique one, special one. I'm very happy guys. I have a new dress. for my birthday. Hindi, really nice guys. See? Very nice one. Very nice one. Let's see. You see, huh? Very nice texture guys. See? That's the, this is the front guys, the front of this. Wow, I love it. I really love it guys. I really love it, this dress guys. The front hairs have a, you want to use like this. Have the strap and like that. Wow, I love it. Ooh, it's a fairy dress, guys. It's a mixed purple color, guys. I love it. It's amethyst color. So let's comment, guys, if my dress is nice. It costs, it's expensive, guys. Yes. I am happy that I have my dress again. You see, is the style is like this. Have a fairy wings here, so they called it a fairy style dress. Nice, guys. We bought this one, this boutique. Oh, a lot of dress there, but my eyes always looking this one, guys. I really like it. Another dress to be bought soon because I love the texture, guys. I really love the texture. Yum yum. Ah. Fall down, guys. So. Hoy! It's fall down, guys. Fall down. Oh my god. It's quite far away. It's the... This case. Wow. Yes, I have a new dress, guys. Thank you for my birthday gift. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This one, guys, have very nice the style, guys, you know. Very nice this style. Just like, I love it. It's L size, guys. We used L size last time. I used MS now. It's L size, guys. We are not young anymore. We are not young anymore. so, but I love the color. No. So that's all for today, guys. Just simple video for my birthday gift dress. I wear this one for my birthday, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. Hopefully you like my dress too. Bye. It's a very nice